Okay, this is an unboxing video for what I think is our HydroFoil. And HydroFoil looks like a board, kind of like a surfboard, but I think this is a fairly small, actually this is maybe a little bit longer than the surfboard the electric surfboard we got. And what this has is like there's a fin that goes under the water, and then there's a motor under the water, and then there's some other control surfaces. And what happens is when you give it power it's actually electric, so it's all battery powered, which there is gas versions available, but I wanted to make sure we are only doing electric. We're pretty much trying to do everything electric with ocean builders and get away from hydrocarbons. And so basically when you give power on this, you start to move forward, and once you reach a certain speed, then the board starts actually going a little bit higher, because there's a fin underneath the water, and it actually goes up. So you're actually, the only thing that's in the water is the motor and the control surfaces. So you're hovering like half a foot or a foot over the water. I don't know how it's going to work with waves, but it should be interesting. I'm a little bit afraid, but a little bit excited, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I've seen some pretty crazy videos where people are like this high off the ground and off the water, and they're like surfing. I think it's going to take some time to really get your balance down so you are in control and not falling all over the place. But if you fall, you fall in the water, but it still might not be fun if your legs are tied up in the straps. We'll see. I've never done it before, and we'll just take it slow. That the area we often go paddleboarding in isn't actually this deep, so we can only go in when it's when the tides are high, and if the tides go down in between us going out, then we might have a hard time. I guess this piece goes at the bottom. Yeah, wow, it's quite a contraption to carry into the water too.
Carbon fiber.
Is it like that or the other way around?
There's a little insert.
Okay.
So that would go down over.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, screws on through here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
You want those wrenches?
I guess they give you all the tools you need
Yeah.
on this one. Okay. Yeah.